Diese Spielreihe passt sich den von dir getroffenen Entscheidungen an. Die Handlung richtet sich nach der von dir nicht vorgelesenen Textzeile. Schon wieder. Tut Tag leid. Weiter geht's mit dem Bonus von der ersten Staffel Walking Dead. 400 Days, soweit ich weiß. Oh, ich glaube, das spielt vorher. Das sieht mir sehr lebhaft aus. Ja. Das nicht so. Spielt das jetzt 400 Tage danach oder innerhalb von 400 Tagen? Das ist ja ein Jahr oder so. Wow, das ist über ein Jahr. Okay, sehr viele Vermisste. Mhm. Guck mal, da heißt eine. Oh, ich kann hier lenken. Ja, guck mal. Ich wollte gerade sagen, guck mal, da heißt eine Shell. Also, ja, sie heißt Shell. Scheel. Scheel? Ich kannte mal einen Scheel. Egal. Nee, es ist nicht Shell. So, was haben wir denn hier? Okay, ich kann jetzt scheinbar hier auswählen, ja? Ach, guck mal. Gronk ist auch da. Schön. Haben wir denn, komm, dann nehmen wir, guck mal gleich mal, was mit Gronk los ist. Gronk, was hast denn du so gemacht? Während Leute ohne Hirn draußen rumliefen, also zur Zeiten von Pegida. Okay. Tag
God, this is
41.
so fucked!
Why the hell did you shoot that guy, man? What the hell was that?
I didn't mean to do it. It just happened, okay? Where the fuck were you with a warning?
Me? You're putting that on me now? I didn't see the guy either. I was too worried those dudes were gonna pull guns on us.
Shit! Dude, how'd they catch up to us?
Who gives a shit? Just... Hurry up, Eddie!
Here, man, shoot! Dude, take this thing!
Ich?
Get him,
Okay.
man!
Ah, so.
Jesus.
Fast reiner Schuss, oder? Junge, war genau so
Shit, man,
geplant.
did you get them? Are they back there? Wyatt? Dude, are they there or not? Come on! Wyatt, talk words
keine
at me,
Ahnung.
man!
Ich hab keine
Fuck if I
Ahnung.
know!
What's that supposed to mean?
Means they could be back there, but I don't know if they are back there, okay?
Here, I'll turn off.
Jetzt schon, also ich würde gerade noch ein bisschen weiterfahren, jetzt mal ganz im Ernst. Einfach weil die sind ja auch da irgendwie reingeballert.
I feel that look on me, man.
Der
I'm not
sieht
being an
wirklich
asshole.
aus wie
I'm being
krank.
smart. No lights, no, you know, they can't see us. Christ, I can taste blood in my mouth. I don't think it's mine. I can't see a damn thing out here.
Crashing into a cow ain't gonna help anything, man.
Oh shit!
Bin mir jetzt sicher, ob
I
es noch
should watch
Kühe.
out for cows. Cows! Why didn't I think of that? When's the last time you saw a cow, dude?
Okay, bad example, but you could still hit something, man. God, I can't believe we're in this shit.
Don't barf just yet, okay? Please? This road is really straight. We'll be fine.
At least slow down.
What? Fuck no! Did you see that one guy's eyes, man? He is fucking gorked. I don't want that guy in my life, Wyatt.
God, how did that go so wrong?
Is that some kind of dig at me?
No, man. I'm just saying.
It's like, why didn't they say anything? Guy's taking his shit over there. That's all they had to say.
I told you not to keep that gun on you.
Fuck right off, Wyatt. Those guys were going to kill us and take all our shit.
You don't know that.
Yes, I do. That gun saved your chubby ass. Look, Wyatt, all I know is those guys had me all jacked up, like I was on speed or something. I was just on edge, you know? Then I was like watching that guy's brains come out of the back of his head. Sorry, man,
Ja.
Well, thanks for getting us out anyway.
Kommt doch 100 Pro gleich wirklich eine Kuh. Eine Sumpfkuh.
It's about time.
I will punch your eyes.
Super. Ich meine, es ist halt neblig.
See?
Der
It's
bringt
fine.
jetzt.
Road straight
Ja.
as my dick. You think we're in the clear?
Not till we get out of this fog.
Was that a pun?
No.
When did you start making puns?
I said
So.
no, idiot.
Hey Mann, aber sag einfach ja. Nimm's mit. Das war
Hallo.
ein gutes Wortspiel. Augen auf die Straße.
Alright, let's Tom Cruise out of here.
Was, Tom Cruise machen?
Really?
See if there's still any sticky in the glove box.
Was?
Foggy.
Oh my god, what?
Ja. Ich sag mal, kann das sein, dass das alles zwei Trophys sind?
High and tried to put a pancake in the CD player?
No.
Ja, dann. Okay.
I don't see anything.
Dude, it's in there. Look harder.
I don't see it. What I do see is that ammo that you lost last week.
Oh my god, really? But is there any weed? You know, one time I was going out with this girl, right? Abigail. You remember her? And she told me that when she was 5, I think, her dad took her to the circus.
I don't care
sideshow.
about this story.
We walked around for a while. Saw the
At
chick
all.
with 2 heads. Saw a dude with lobster
Stop
hands.
talking
Some kind
now.
of monkey human with a dick for a face. I don't know. She also said there was a little girl in there the size of an apple, but I called bullshit on that one. The point is, she saw there was this guy standing in there, buck naked, and singing this weird... Are you even listening to me?
Nee. Hat er mir schon 100
Ja,
Mal
die
erzählt, die
an her
Geschichte.
Shit! Holy shit, dude. Holy shit. Did you get a look? I think that was a guy. Wyatt, come on, man, say something. Was that a dude or not? What the fucking fog. That's not so
Nein, ich glaube
fucked, man.
eher, dass das ein Zombie war.
I don't know.
Ich weiß es
It's
aber
too
auch
fast,
nicht.
man.
Man, don't say
Es
that.
war auf jeden Fall
You have
menschlich.
to know. Dude, you have to.
Alter, ich jetzt wieder. Sobald ich hier aussteige, fährt er doch weg. Der ist doch Truffi
See if there's
nix.
anything around the car. You
Goofy
when
Harry.
things will, like tell us one way or the other. That way we can just book. But I'm not leaving if we hit a human being, man. I'm just not. Man, don't roll it down broken.
I can't see through the cracks. Look, it's fine, see?
Der kommt jetzt 100 Pro da hoch.
Dude, what's that on the broken side mirror?
Does
So,
that blood
da.
look fresh to you?
Yeah, but it's kind of dark.
Yeah. Damn.
You think that blood on the windshield is fresh or rotten?
Wieso kann ich da mal das
Stop
Radio
messing
angucken?
around. We need to know what's going on, okay?
Ja, ich drück
That's
mich
not
jetzt
gonna
schon ein
help.
bisschen davor, ne?
Jeez.
Ist schon klar, was ich hier mache.
Way out in the road.
Warte.
It's part of a shirt, I think.
Yeah, but plenty of dead guys have shirts on. Keep looking. Man, I'm really not seeing anything.
Ja. Leute, wartet mal kurz. Ihr
I
habt
wish there was some way
nichts
to tell.
gesehen.
We're gonna have to go out there.
Ja, jetzt gehe ich raus. Jetzt kommt der Typ 100 Pro hoch. Guck.
Is that the mirror from
Und
the
ich werde
car?
diesmal nicht erschrecken.
Can't tell from here. Look, Wyatt. It was a guy.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How sure?
Pretty fucking sure. Don't pay for sex drunk, sure.
Jesus. So what do we do?
What do you mean, what do we do? We go out there.
What about the guys in the truck?
Man, fuck those guys. If that guy back there is alive, we have to help him, Wyatt. There ain't a lot of live dudes left these days.
Und wenn er so drauf ist, die Typ im Truck.
Why don't we just drive back?
Ja.
Maybe run him over again in the fog? He can't be that far back, man. Come on, man. This is stupid. We go out there, we check it out, we get moving.
Ich wollte gerade sagen, wir beide. Ja, genau, soll
You
ihr
go
doch
if
gehen.
you want.
Ja, kannst du doch
Want?
gehen.
Why would I want to? We just have to. That's
Ja,
all
weil
there is
er
to
ihn
it.
zusammengefahren hat. Ich meine, okay, ich bin nicht gefahren, kann ich auch keinen zusammenfahren, aber habe ich auch keinen zusammengefahren.
Okay.
Logisch.
Well. Shit. Okay. Here, we'll rock, paper,
Was sind denn
scissors.
das
for it.
für zwei Druffis? Also, die sind wirklich komplett weg. Du
No
spinnst doch.
way, man. You're nuts.
I'm clear as shit, Wyatt. This is the only way it's fair.
Fair? How is this fair? You shot that guy back there. You hit that thing in the road. None of that shit is my fault.
All right, I'll go. That's okay. That makes sense. Okay?
Ja, okay, gut. Ja,
Just go
dann.
out there. Take a look.
Ja, dann geh doch.
Where's the
Komm.
gun again?
Man, just shut up.
Bin mir nicht
Let's
sicher,
do
bei
this.
dem noch eine
Loser
Knarre geben
goes.
soll.
Sounds good.
All right, 2 out of 3, right?
Sure.
1, 2, 3,
Papier.
go. Shit. All right. Okay. All right.
Zweites Mal
1,
Schere.
2, 3, go. Scissors? Who fucking picks scissors?
Ja. Der beim ersten Mal Papier genommen hat, weil der andere ein Depp ist, weil man genau weiß, der kriegt's noch nicht mal hin, die Hand auseinander zu machen, also wieder Stein nehmen. Und dann nimmst du Papier und dann gewinnst du. Und dann denkst du dir so, okay, der Typ ist so doof. Jetzt denkt er sich, Kacke, ich hab verloren, obwohl ich Stein hatte. Dann nehme ich gerade jetzt Papier. Und dann nimmt er Papier und du nimmst einfach Schere. Ist doch ganz einfach. Bei Deppen. Es gibt natürlich noch die besondere Sorte von Deppen, die wo meistens die Zunge dann so im Mundwinkel irgendwie haben. Die nehmen zweimal Stein.
Here, in case we need to get out of here quick.
Sehr gut. Wo sind die Schlüssel hin?
Way to go, idiot!
Alter.
Hey, Wyatt, I ate paint when I was a kid.
Shit, where the hell did they go?
Ja,
It's the
vielleicht.
smallest hoopty in the world. Hey, maybe I can see better with that guy on.
Ach so, nee. Ich guck mich erstmal hier im Fußraum um. Da sind sie doch, guck. Sitzgriff.
Too dark to see.
Ach nö, oder? Also ich kann sie von hier sehen, jetzt ganz im Ernst. Warte, ich mach das Ding an. Da, nimm sie mit.
Why didn't you just leave
Er
them
geht
in the
jetzt hoch
position?
und da ist ein Zombie. Oh oh.
Shit! Ah!
Come here, you little bastard.
Na.
I'm gonna get you out.
Geh weg da. Und nu? Tür zu. Haha. Schlüssel drehen. Gang reinmachen. Der hat noch die Gangschaltung am Lenkrad. Was ist das für ein altes Ding? Ah, jetzt geh weg da.
Ah, son of a bitch.
Ja. Gang rein. Gas geben. Schießt der auch noch. Ich hab Eddie zurückgelassen. Ja, was hätte ich denn tun sollen? Hä? Was? Das war's schon? 4 Minuten? 4 Minuten und ich habe meinen besten Druffi-Freund weggelassen. Ich habe gar nicht gewusst, dass man überhaupt die Wahl hat, ihn zurückzulassen. Ich habe halt gedacht, ja, der sagt jetzt losfahren. Hätte ich nochmal. Hä? Ist egal. Okay, was lernen wir da draus? Falls ihr jemals in der Apokalypse seid mit Gronk, gebt entweder niemals die Schlüssel raus oder steigt nie aus dem Auto aus. So. Was haben wir denn sonst noch? Also. Mann, Frau, Mann, Frau. 2-2. Okay? Also müssen wir jetzt eine Frau nehmen. Dann nehme ich jetzt natürlich Chell. Weil die so gut in Portal war. Auch wenn sie Shell heißt. Wahrscheinlich Michelle? Keine Ahnung. Klingelt da eine Glocke? Mann, das war ein Liedzitat. Mehr oder weniger. Ein bisschen. Die sieht sogar aus wie Shell.
Wait.
Da rechts sitzt Sarah Kuttner. Die nicht, die andere. Tag 236, okay.
Hey, Shell, your sister's getting pretty good, huh?
Becca had a good teacher,
That's
Steph.
Shell.
Thank you for doing that. She needs something to focus on besides, you know, everything else.
Yeah. Growing up in a world like this, what do you think that does to a kid?
I'm trying to protect her from it as much as possible. Things are stable here, for now. I want her to grow up with this, not what's outside these walls.
Becca's a good kid. These are shit times, and she's gonna go through that. But if we can keep her from experiencing some of the shit I've seen,
Thanks, Stephanie.
Thanks.
Okay, kein Strom da. Machen wir unsere
Becca, that
Jukebox
was
halt einfach
great.
selbst.
Thanks, sis. You think we can do something like this every week?
Solange es uns nicht ablenken.
That
Good idea.
sounds like a great idea. Maybe we can all get in on it, like some kind of weekly talent show.
That was amazing, Becca. We could all use a little more music in our lives. Did I ever tell you that I used to play in a band?
yes, Roman, you've told us. She doesn't want to hear about it again.
All right, all right. In that case, let's get back to work.
Wie die
Oh,
arbeiten
and
hier im
thanks to
Café
Boyd's
oder
hard
was?
work on the
Oder in
vegetable
dem-
garden, we're having fresh soup tonight. Okay, let's get to it.
You want to help me and Shell do the supply inspection?
Cool. You check the flashlights this time. I'll look over the guns.
Das glaube ich weniger. Ich will nicht, dass du an denen
I
rumbastelst.
don't
nicht
want you
an
messing with those unless
ja.
we're in danger, okay? I'll take care of those later.
Fine.
Shell, when you get a sec, meet me out back. Help me feed the watchdogs.
Sure thing.
So, also wir sind Shell. Schöne Hose. Mag ich. Also, ich mag Cargohosen. Super. Ja, ich laber mal. Oh, was ist das? Bevor ich laber, erst mal
The
gucken.
diner looked pretty nice back then.
That's because they used to pay people to clean it.
Also, not as many dead visitors back then.
Hat's einen Punkt.
Nothing.
What did Roman want?
I don't know yet.
Are you gonna find out?
Yeah, in a sec.
Erst gucke ich, dass du deine Arbeit richtig machst.
Still one short.
2, 4,
We never found the
5
other
hatten wir.
flashlight?
Nope. Still in the cornfield somewhere, I guess.
Okay.
You guys need help?
Nah, we got this. Right, Becca?
Okay,
You
4
go ahead and help
Taschenlampen,
Roman
aber
out
6
back.
Pistolen.
How we doing on ammo?
Better than we thought. We haven't had to use these for a while.
Okay, wir leben hier also quasi nur von unseren Vorräten.
Eesh, these knives are looking pretty ragged.
Don't worry, they're on our list.
Okay. Das heißt, ups.
Did you ever find out what happened there?
No.
Mm.
Roman said it was like this when he and Stephanie found the place. Could be
Okay.
anything these days, though.
Das heißt
Still,
also keine
better not to think
Beutetouren
about
oder irgendwas? Wie das viele halt machen, oder viele, ja. Wie das halt oft ist in Stories irgendwie, dass sie dann ein Plätzchen haben, wo es gemütlich ist, dort bleiben und dann aber halt auf Beutetour gehen. Moment. Eine öde Wand.
Looks weird in here without the paintings.
Well, Boyd wanted something to paint his own pictures on. I guess
Okay.
it'll be a personal gallery in here when he's done.
Na dann. So, ich würde jetzt soweit sein und gerne hineingehen, wenn mir jemand sagt, wie. Ah, da. Moment, wenn wir schon mal hier drin sind. Hier. Oh, guck mal da.
Hey, Becca, think we should start charging for the inspections we make?
Oh yeah, then we can spend all our money at nowhere.
Cool. Niemandsland. Ja, ja. So, ein Feuerlöscher.
We should do an inspection on
Inspiziert.
Make sure they all work.
Bin mir sicher, ob das eine gute Idee ist, zu gucken, dass sie funktionieren. Ein Feuerlöscher. Weil ich glaube nicht, dass der dazu gedacht ist, den einmal kurz, aha, funktioniert und dann wieder hinzuhängen. Die sind dazu gedacht, dass wenn du sie einmal anmachst, glaube ich, könnt mich gern verbessern, wenn du sie einmal anmachst, dass du komplett leer machst und nicht dann wieder ein Jahr hinzuhängen. So,
This hasn't worked in a long time.
ja, gut. Kaffeemaschine?
God, what I wouldn't give for a cup of coffee in the morning.
Kaffee gibt's auch nicht mehr. Ja, das ist natürlich schlecht für Leute, die Kaffee trinken. Gehöre ich zum Glück nicht dazu. Sehr schön. Ah, da war noch Geschirrzeugs. Aber das war schmutzig, das sehe ich von hier. So. Exit. Flurtür, Regal.
Starting to thin out in here. Thank God we have a garden now.
Dann hätten wir hier noch Dosenfutter.
I don't miss going on raids for this stuff.
Okay, die sind auf Raubzüge gegangen einmal. Aha. Also doch. Was hängt denn da oben? Eine Lampe wahrscheinlich.
You scared me.
He's hungry. Guess he knows.
Das
it's
sind die
feeding time.
Wachhunde?
It's disgusting.
Can't disagree with you there. You know, your sister said she wouldn't mind doing this.
Roman, we've talked about this. Becca doesn't need to deal with this kind of thing.
Listen, I know you think that giving her an easy life is what's best, but it's really not.
I know, I just want her to have a little more time to be a kid. As
Yeah,
long as
but-
she knows how to protect herself, it's fine. I don't want her to stop caring about people.
Okay. What's that one eating?
I don't know. I'll check it out.
I gotta get back out front. Looking forward to that soup.
Also, scheinbar haben wir 2 angekettete Zombies hier, die als Wachhunde dienen. Ja, aber wie dienen denn die als Wachhunde? Ich meine, ist ja nicht so, dass die andere sehen und dann anfangen... Ah, servus, Franz! Und lang nicht mehr gesehen, was machst du denn so? Alles klar, und was macht die Frau und Kind? Was macht deine Frau und meine Kinder? Aha, was hat's bei dir gestern zu essen gegeben? Hirn? Ja, bei dir nicht, du warst bei AfDler. Ah, schon wieder hungrige Mist. So, okay, was hat die da?
God.
Eichhörnchen. Ja, aber was ist es? Nicht, dass ich sehen will, aber ich will es sehen. Okay, ich weiß es, also für mich sieht das aus wie ein Stofftier. Reicht mir. Die frisst Stofftiere. Ich meine, wenn es, keine Ahnung, Ketchup-Vampire gibt, dann gibt's auch Stofftier-Zombies. Junge, die macht Geräusche beim Essen wie meine Katzen. Reden? Okay, der will nicht teilen. Dann isst du mal schön weiter deine Gedärme. Ja!
Jesus, don't ever
Mann, echt jetzt? Das war gemein.
What's your problem? I do this all the time. You don't get all pissed off.
Ja, keine Ahnung. Ich find's ehrlich gesagt auch nicht gut. Ich bin auch voll erschrocken.
Yeah, you caught me at a bad time. That's all.
Bad time? What's up?
It's the walkers. I guess they got a hold of a
Ein
puppy.
Hundebaby, okay. Wo haben sie denn ein
Puppy?
Hundebaby her?
Yeah. I guess it just got to me. You know, it was so little. You don't think about babies anymore, but after a while you just kind of accept this is it.
Yeah. I guess you kind of forget.
Right? But then, you know, there it is. You see it and you want to protect it and now it's gone.
That sucks. Maybe if Clive dies next, we can put him out there instead. He'd make a better watchdog anyway.
Ja. Ich glaube, es ist nicht unbedingt
Shell, Becca,
Zeit.
something's going on outside.
What is it?
I don't know, something bad. We gotta find Roman.
Come here, everyone.
Shit. Come on, we gotta find Roman.
Lass Martin. Jag så kär vi ver.
Jesus.
Largam.
My God. What did you do?
All I did was put on the blindfold and bind his wrists. Somebody else beat him up. He already had the cuts and bruises.
Watchdogs caught him trying to steal supplies.
Is he bitten?
No, they didn't get that close.
What did he take?
Food, medicine, whatever he could get his hands on.
Usual stuff. I couldn't get any other information out of him. I don't think he speaks English.
I can't believe he just snuck
The
in.
second break-in we've had in the last couple of weeks. Last time we couldn't catch him. And they got away with more medicine than we could afford to lose.
Well, we all know what it's like trying to survive out there. He just came in here for food. Let's just give him some and send him on his
What
way.
if there are more of them? He could have been scouting.
That's right. He could be part of a larger
If
group.
there were more, I think we would have seen them by now. I mean,
Einfach
nobody
gehen lassen,
travels
nicht
alone
einfach.
by choice anymore, right?
Ich nehme jetzt
We
das.
can't just
Das
let him
heißt
go.
aber nicht, dass
Too
wir ihn
dangerous.
erschießen
Who knows
sollen
if
oder
his
so,
friends
sondern
waiting to attack?
Don't you think we would have seen someone by now? At least trying to negotiate to get him back.
That is strange.
That doesn't mean anything. Well, he's not staying here. You let in a stranger, and everything starts breaking down.
The last time we did that, we lost Bree. And then Vernon with that goddamn boat.
Vernon and the boat are the reason the group fell apart.
Sie sind
Not
das.
trusting strangers. Vernon was out for the boat the whole time. And the second they left that boat unattended, we just stole it.
Ja.
That's when our group fell apart.
He can't stay here.
I agree. Keeping him here is not an option. In his condition, he'd be a drain on our resources. Look, we all know what we're talking about here, so let's stop dancing around it. We either let this guy go and take our chances, or we kill him.
Jesus Christ. Are you serious?
Roman's right.
Können wir ihn nicht irgendwo in den Wald 5-mal im Kreis drehen und wegrennen?
We're letting him go.
Oder so?
It's the only right thing to do.
I'm telling you, we can't do that.
But killing him? Is that really the answer?
Stephanie, Boyd, you two don't think we should kill him. We know where Joyce and Clive stand on the subject. You're the swing vote here, Shell. What's it gonna be?
Ja, super. Natürlich nur 2.
We have to set him free.
We can't.
He's not even armed. We can't just kill him. This isn't in self-defense.
Isn't it though? If it means he can't come back to hurt us?
That isn't the same thing.
But last time...
Joyce, that was a long time ago. If we kill this man, then we're giving up a part of ourselves that we can never get back. I'm not ready to let that go.
Cut him free.
I hope you guys know what you're doing.
Nein, wissen
Give
wir
him some
nicht.
food, 3 or 4
Muito
cans,
obrigado.
just as a gesture of good faith. And get him out of here. I don't know if you can understand a word I'm saying, but you better understand this. You came this close to death today. And if you ever come near this place again, or tell anybody where we are, you'll wish you had died today.
Tag 259.
Do you have any 4s?
Nope.
Wo ist das Wohnmobil
Do you
her?
have any 7s?
Ja. Eine.
Yep.
I miss playing guitar for everyone. It was stupid, but fun.
Warum gibt's die nicht
Why
mehr?
don't we do that anymore?
Since the attack, there's a lot we don't do anymore.
I shouldn't have let that guy go. Boyd would still be alive and everything would be the same.
Boyd agreed it was the right thing to do. Anyway, Roman's obsessed with keeping this place secured now.
You know that's impossible, right?
Well, after last time. Roman isn't taking any chances.
And I should fix the loose board behind the storage lots.
Becca, are you sneaking out again? Don't let anyone else know about that spot. Just in case.
In case of what?
In case something happens and we need to get out of here in a hurry. We've got to always be prepared.
Shell, I need to talk to you.
It's open. What's going on?
Hey, Becca.
Hey,
When you get a sec, I need you to come out and talk to me. It's important.
Okay.
I'll be outside. You'll see me.
Okay, großer Mann, Glatze.
Give us a minute.
Yeah, just don't take too long.
what was that all about?
Maybe he found out about the boards?
Shit. You think so?
If he did, I won't say anything. But you better stay away from there for a while.
Okay.
Stay here. It'll be just a minute. I'll fill you in when I get back.
Und da braucht mir jetzt keiner zu sagen, ja, hätte es ihn umbringen sollen. Ich bin mir sehr sicher, wenn wir den umgebracht hätten, wäre irgendwas anderes passiert, wir wären auch hier gelandet. Ich meine, irgendwann muss man auch mal realistisch sein. Ich kenne das Spiel. Ich hab's schon mal gespielt, weißt du? So, wir gucken uns jetzt hier nicht um, weil es hier nicht viel umzugucken gibt. So, laufen wir ein bisschen schneller. Auch nix, okay. Da ist die Becca, ne, Joyce. So.
Joyce, do you know what's going on?
I don't know if I should say anything.
Please, what is it?
Wer ist
They
tot?
caught Stephanie stealing and then trying to escape.
Oh my god. What are they gonna do?
I don't know. What can we do?
I'll go talk to Roman. We'll figure it out.
Wer ist Stefanie? Die langhaarige, schwarzhaarige, langhaarige Frau. Die Frau mit den langen schwarzen Haaren. Jetzt hab ich's. Die vorhin mit mir geredet hat da? Ich weiß nicht. Oh. Schwack. Achso, den haben sie wahrscheinlich vorne dran geparkt.
Roman?
Good, you're here.
I heard about Stephanie.
I'm sorry.
What are you gonna do?
You know what we do.
What happened?
We caught her trying to escape.
Maybe she wasn't. Maybe she just wanted to get outside these walls for a while. Ever since the incident, you've made this place feel, I don't know, oppressive.
Die wollte halt
We made it
abhauen.
safe. She was definitely trying to
Du kannst
escape.
hier
She had
eigentlich
most of our
nur
ammo and
klauen und
medicine
abhauen,
with her.
weil
She screwed us, Shell. All of us. And now we're in that position again where we can't keep her here and we can't let her go. You do know why I'm telling you this, right?
weil ich wieder entscheiden muss.
It doesn't matter.
It matters to me. You and Boyd were the ones who fought to let that guy go. Convinced us all to take that chance. Well, we did. And it was wrong, and now Boyd is dead. We're beyond the luxury of taking chances now, and I need to know that you're with us 100%.
Let's talk to her first. See if we can talk some sense into her.
No. She tried to sneak out and leave us without any medicine or extra ammo. She knew that could mean the death of any one of
Okay, wenn
us.
sie
We
alles
give her a second
mitgenommen hat,
chance.
ja.
She might not try to leave so quietly. You got your gun?
It's in the camper.
I'll give you a few minutes to get your head together.
God, what do I tell Becca?
That's up to you. Whatever you say, I'll back you up.
Shell? What's wrong? Am I in trouble?
What I'm gonna say is gonna be hard to hear.
What is it?
It's Stephanie. She stole a bunch of ammo and medicine and tried to escape.
Oh my god. The hell did she do that for?
Roman says we have to...
Kill her? Yeah. Why would she do this to us?
Doesn't matter. She did what she did.
Stupid.
Roman wants me to do it.
I'm sorry. Let's just get it over with. Your gun's over there, in the drawer.
You know, we don't have to do this. We can just go.
What?
We've survived on our own before. If we just go, we can be out of here before anyone can do anything about it.
Are you crazy? Where would we go? There's nothing out there. As long as we're here, we're safe. The group will protect us.
But for how long?
I don't know, longer than we'd survive out there. Besides, you know the rules. If we try to leave, Roman will hunt us down. We don't have a choice. This is who we are now.
I don't want this to be who we are.
Just let me do it then.
Ist ein... Wie krass ist die denn? Also echt jetzt... Ja, natürlich sagst du sofort nee. Dann sag ich ja.
Fine. Go ahead.
No! Roman said he wants you to do it. I'll
Okay.
do it when it's my turn. This really sucks.
Yeah, it does.
Shell, it's time.
Roman's waiting.
Ja.
Why are you just standing there?
Weil ich...
We gotta do this.
Ja... Ja, hopp. Ich nehm die
I
Waffe.
don't ever want to put you in danger. If that means this is what we have to become, then it is what it is.
Sie hat wohl recht, wenn sie sagt, sie wird länger überleben, wenn sie hier bleibt. So sieht sie wenigstens, dass sie morgen noch lebt.
Me too.
Allerdings, ich wäre abgehauen. Zum Glück ist die Folge rum. Oh, ich habe gedacht, dass ich jetzt auch noch... Oh, okay. Ja, warum ich vorhin gesagt habe, sie soll es tun, weil... Ja, die macht halt so auf cool und ja, gar kein Problem. Und ich dachte mir so, ey, Mädel, das ist nicht cool, jemanden umzubringen. Also, mach mal einfach. Und dann dachte ich, ja komm, mach, wenn dich traust. Und stellt sich raus, also, sie hat noch ein Gewissen oder so. Zumindest rede ich es mir so ein, dass das so läuft. Okay, ich sag mal, das war's für heute. Morgen machen wir mit einem von den dreien da weiter. Einen von den zweien. Ich mach das so ein bisschen abwechselnd, weißt du? Mann, Frau, Mann, Frau, Mann, Frau. Oder so. Eigentlich müsste man ja das da, sie da wegmachen, damit ich das da lesen kann. Ist aber auch egal. So, morgen machen wir bei einem von den zwei da weiter. So, was mir halt aufgefallen ist, das war direkt verbunden mit, mit der Geschichte halt von Season 1. Also so von wegen, ja, das war Vernon und die Gruppe der ehemaligen Krebspatienten, die uns dann das Boot geklaut haben. Du wisst, wovon ich rede. Fangt mal von vorne an zu gucken. Walking Dead. Also, bei mir hier. Was die erste Folge mit Kronk da, was die da zu tun hatte, mit irgendwem, keine Ahnung, wäre mir jetzt nichts aufgefallen, außer dass, wenn man es sehr weit herholen will, vielleicht waren die Ganoven, vielleicht waren das da die Banditen von der Molkerei oder halt auch vom Motel, wo wir dann waren. Keine Ahnung, weiß ich nicht. Waren halt irgendwie zwei Truffis und einer sah aus wie Kronk. Okay, war auch relativ kurz. Ja, okay. Danke fürs Zugucken. Morgen geht's weiter. Tschüss. Achso, ich muss ja Kronk machen. Ciao mit V.